What's up everybody, Brian Tong here. If you're watching my videos, keep watching them. We are here at Apple Park. This is the visitor center. We were over in Steve Jobs Theater, and that's where I got my greasy little hands on the new Airpods Pro 2nd generation. And you know, we've been waiting till what, late 2019 for new Airpods Pro, and I think they delivered in every aspect with these new earbuds. It's hard to say who is gonna really say no to these things that either already has AirPods, that has been curious about AirPods. You know how many people want to upgrade? A whole lot. So let's get into it. The H2, this is their new processor. This is like the heartbeat of these new earbuds. You get improved sound, improved battery efficiency. You get the ability for spatial audio, which has always been a part of the equation. Well, now spatial audio has been improved. You also get transparency mode. And what this means is, let's say there's construction outside. Well, it can actually detect and hear that sound and kind of dampen it within your ear just on its own. I can't wait to try that out. You also have obviously active noise canceling, and this can be catered to you. If you've seen in some previous earbuds, you can actually like kind of scan the shape of your ear, and it will customize where the sounds come from, because all of our ears are different shaped. We collect sound differently. So I thought this is kind of a unique thing that, yes, we have seen before, but this is the first time that they're coming to AirPods Pro. You look at these things, you obviously still see the stems. I mean, they really, to me, they look a lot kind of like now this like hybrid between AirPods 3 and the previous AirPods Pro. So that design is kind of like a nice middle ground. The sound quality has been significantly improved. I popped these things on, and one of my kind of worries is, hey, they need to up the sound quality because the AirPods 3 ended up sounding better than the AirPods Pro. Well, now AirPods Pro 2, they have definitely remedied that. Now you look at the controls, right? We were used to the squeeze controls. They've now put capacitive sensors on the squeeze part, so you can actually control volume level by swiping up and down. And then if you want to, you know, turn on transparency mode or noise canceling, you hold and squeeze that. If you want to pause a track, you do it one click. But now I can slide the volume up. Bravo, bravo. Another plus: AirPods 3 had 6 hours of battery life. AirPods Pro 2, 2nd generation, now also get 6 hours of battery life. And then if you have the charging case with it, that's gonna give you a total of 30 hours. And the case, this is another piece of the puzzle. They have improved it as well. So you're getting the U1 technology to use Find My. To be very specific, there's an actual speaker on the AirPods Pro 2 charging case that emits a sound when you're using the Find My app, just so you can track that bad boy right there. Also, part of kind of this new H2 processor, each earbud can be able to like send a sound themselves. Let's say one is separated from the other. That's another cool feature there. And then if we look at this case, not only do you have the speaker, you have that little loop hook for a lanyard to connect it. I mean, Apple has been the accessory king when it comes to how do we create accessory ecosystem for flagship products. And I don't know, I'm gonna rock the lanyard, I'm gonna put something fancy on it, and it's gonna look really cool. Getting my hands on these things, I don't know if I'm making this up in my mind, but the actual earbuds did feel a little lighter than the earlier AirPods Pro. This could just be being in this like distortion reality field with all the hype, the energy. I mean, it's a zoo down there. If you look at the video, you understand it is a zoo. But one cool little nugget here, you can actually, yes, you can wirelessly charge this. You can connect a cable to charge this case, but you can use your Apple Watch charger, the little circle guy here, to charge the new AirPods Pro case. Now they will be $249. When you look at everything that was announced, this is the most affordable of those. Everyone's been waiting to get new AirPods Pro. I mean, it's probably the #1 thing people have been asking me. All of you all watching that have allowed me to be here, you've all been asking about that. So $249, pre-order starts September 9th. They'll be available September 23rd. And this might be the gift to get for the holidays. Like, I'm gonna get my boo one. And if you're watching, you lucky.